for fried chicken night, aka family dinner. I'm doing fried chicken and yams. London's on the mac. Liza's on cornbread. Cabbage. We're doing cabbage, corn, watermelon, lemonade. Basically, we're going back to the south. Take me back. But okay. See you guys in a minute.
Delicious. You saw them.
You like that?
You saw my.
You had it recording this whole time?
No, I just turned it on.
It's recording now, right? Mm-hmm. It's picking up sound too?
It should be.
What are we doing over here?
So this is our little egg mixture. So it allows for the flour to adhere. And then we're about to shake it up. Toss it in the fryer. Alright, so I'm about to drop.
Let's get it.
Here, Raj, you can record on the phone for me.
Oh my god! Wait, I need to cover the cabinet. It's hot. I already hot. It's hot.
Oh.
Oh shit! Oh fuck.
But the microwave vent.
Wait, turn on a different part.
There we go. Yeah, let's try that.
I got it all on camera.
Damn it!
Brandon! Oh my god.
So, if y'all didn't know how to cook, y'all could.
Look. Next time we're going out to eat, okay? Fuck the bullshit.
That's strike number one.
Look here.
Can I just eat my cabbage for a second before everything goes to shit?
Max up the AC.
Okay, let's
It's
try it.
66.
Be careful.
Which house? Well, the window.
Don't drop that.
Which house?
Here we go. Okay.
Oh, look at God.
I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit.
Yeah, that thing's supposed to be popping.
Okay.
You're supposed to be running backwards after you
It's coming,
drop
though,
it.
it's coming.
Smelled like damn Bojangles. Okay.
There we go.
Look at God is so good.
He's so good.
All the time. All the time.
You tried some of this corn dip?
No.
It's great.
Just like the lemonade was supposed to be.
You made this, Ralph?
No, Shauna did.
Oh, you made it? What's your name?
Shauna. He's like, wait a second.
That's what's up.
What's your name?
Your name is Sean?
Shauna.
Shauna, I'm Sean.
Oh,
Sean, Shauna. It's lit. It's a party now.
Oh my God.
How you feeling, man?
A little better. A little better. I was a little, freaked out about the last part, but we recovered.
We back and we strong.
We back in the game, boy. Okay, you want to see the chicken so far? It's a little crispy with the shits. Thank you.
Thank God I have my room door closed.
Yeah.
It's real toxic in here.
Toxic. Rise made the cornbread.
Somebody buys me, babe.
Promo for rice.
Okay. Well, you gotta tell me how the chicken tastes.
Oh, he's the guinea pig.
Did you try it yet? Period. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. Is it finished? Is it done?
It's good. I like it.
Okay.
You did your thing. You did it. You did that.
Not y'all playing these slow songs. Who about to fall in love? This is my shit though. I do it for you. Okay. Get into these good leftovers. Yes, God. All the fried chicken's gone, y'all. We low-key forgot it out. So it's sitting in here. We gotta throw it away. When I tell you I'm about to cry.